Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Ankara underwear pants, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, scissors, this is elastic band. I'll be using tape rule. The measurement we'll be using for the underwear pants we are making will be 12 inches long by 10.5 inches width. Meanwhile, this Ankara is on fold, so it's on fold. Then you want to take your measurement from the 10.5 inches width. You take your measurement 2.5 inches. Okay, that's 2.5 inches, and you come here to measure 1.5 inches. Okay, that's 1.5. We are just going to connect this line to this line. And that's it, and I'll call this off. Okay, so this is what it looks like after putting up. We are going to place this on another Ankara fabric. So I put this Ankara on fold. We are going to place this on it. So this will serve as the front part, while this one we want to cut to serve as the back part. So I'm putting it equal. You can see it's the same. So we're going to just mark. You see what I'm doing? Let me just turn it. Okay, so I'm tracing that same 1.5 inch now. Trace like that. Okay, so when you get there, just widen your hand. I'm going to connect it back to this 2.5 here. So because this is the back, you're going to draw your line this way. So this can still cover up for the back part. So this is about 1 inch extra, and I just draw it. Okay, so let's cut this out. Then cut this part off. That is it. So this will be the front parts of the pants, and this will be the back pants. So the next thing you want to do is to, this is front and this is front, go to the sewing machine and I'm going to stitch this. When that is done, then we're going to hem the pants. We're going to start folding. We're going to stitch from this point till this point. We're also going to hem this part, fold and fold. We're going to stitch from this point till this point. After stitching, I see how it looks. It looks very neat. I folded twice. So the next thing you want to do is to stitch this side of the pants. Let's clean it. I'm going to also stitch this pant, this other side of the pant. After then, we are going to stitch this part. We're going to fold a little and fold. Now there will be space for us to pass our elastic band. So we're just going to fold round the pants like that. Fold this other side, so your pants should look like this when you are done stitching. You can see, stitch this part, and I also stitch the top part. I left space here that we can put the elastic inside it. This is the elastic I will be using. Let's measure it. This is 19.5 inches. The help of a safety pin, I'm going to push it through this opening here. When you get to this point, take this other part of your elastic. You're going to go back to your sewing machine. You will top stitch on it. Then you will stitch this other part. You will seal it up. And that is it, guys. This measurement is based on my assumption. Please, if you are bigger than I am, increase your measurements. I made this in my previous video. I will put the link to this bralette in the description below. If you are not seeing it, please go to see it. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video.